Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today I'm going to make a fried rice where I used to only be able to get it from Wong Kok Cha Chan Ting, which is fried rice using 5 spice cube, yeah, 五香肉丁. But the thing is, I think after the price of the pork increased so much, they no longer use the canned five spice pork, which is very tasty. I think they try to make their own 5 spice pork, which doesn't taste too good. So I might as well just buy a can of 5 spice pork and make it myself, fry it myself, not difficult at all. So how much is it selling for now? It's about 9 ringgit 60 cents for about 100, slightly over 100 gram. I'm not sure whether I will be using the whole can or not. I will decide later. Here I have pre-cooked white rice, about approximately 1.5 cup. Pre-cooked about 2-3 hours ago. I asked my mother-in-law to cook for me. And then I have some spring onion and 2 eggs. That's all we need for this fried rice. So we are going to take out the pork. I think I haven't been eating this for 2 years, 3 years maybe. Look how beautiful it is. I probably won't use it all, maybe half of it. So this is approximately half of it. Press it a bit. And together with some of the sauce, yeah. This fried rice is going to be slightly spicy. Let's add a little bit of oil. We're going to fry the egg first. By the way, one of my followers recently told Appa that my non-stick wok, the surface is already cracked a little bit. So he reminded me, for the sake of health, I better change a new one. So immediately Appa bought a new one. I bought this from China also. Right, then we can actually put in the egg. And scramble it. So once the egg started to get about half cooked, we can then actually add in the white rice, the pre-cooked white rice, right? It doesn't have to be 1 day before. 2 or 3 hours before is perfectly fine. Actually, some master, some seafood, they can use freshly cooked rice to fry. The whole idea is you want the rice to be a little bit drier, not too wet, yeah. Then it is easier for you to fry. So today, the focus is not about egg fried rice, it's actually about my 5 spice pork cube, 五香肉丁. So I won't pay too much attention on making it golden color, yeah? Appa has been coughing for quite some time. Any of you has any good suggestion? What should I take? Alright, once you have loosened up the rice, right, we have loosened out the rice totally. Now I'm going to add in the pork. Give it 2 rounds of light soy sauce. Some fine salt. let's mix everything nicely together. Whoa, I can smell the pork already, the spicy pork, yeah, spicy spice pork. Wow, I wish you all can smell this. Smells so good right now. Ooh. I forgot how much is Wong Kok selling for this. It will not be cheap. Almost done. Spring onion. Few dashes of white pepper. Give it a few stir. And our 五香肉丁炒饭 is ready to be served. That's how simple it is. Wow, super fragrant right now. And it is so super appetizing. You must try, seriously. 9 ringgit 60 cents for the 五香肉丁罐头. Yeah, the can, yeah. But I only use half of it. The other half I'll probably eat it with some white porridge tomorrow. Done. That's how simple it is. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.